Steph Curry not playing in tonight's game. He's out with an ankle injury. And a lot of people are wondering, will he be available for the Christmas Day game against the Cavs? There's plenty of time for him to recover before the Christmas Day game, but you just never know. Kevin Durant, he had a triple-double tonight, 35 points, 11 rebounds, and 10 assists. The Hornets had no answer for Durant. He hits him with a crossover, finishes with the layup. Where is the help defense? Rebound. Durant, he's going to push it in transition. Kicks it into the corner for the splash. Durant, calling for the screen. Actually, he's going to fake it. He passes it to Clay in a corner. Another three. Warriors jump out to a huge lead in the first half. In the second half, Kemba gonna dish it. Alley-oop to Dwight Howard. And one. More Hornets action as they try to come back. Batum knocking down a three. It's a 10-point game now. Kick it outside. Kemba Walker with a rainbow splash. It's a game all of a sudden. 9 points, 5 minutes remaining. Klay Thompson catch and shoot with the defense in his face. He's so fast with that release. Durant, 1v1. He's just gonna pop it at a standstill from mid-range. The Warriors are on a 5-game winning streak. That's another pick. Rusty, take it to the house. Oh, what a spin move, the ankles. Oh my goodness. He's got it. He's taking no spin. Why would you spin? Oh, they can't bring him down. Touchdown. Are you serious? Night Train Lane.